Bonjour maître, maître toye awa na jour à l'élo le 11 au Bengsa Bisonios au Lobinini.
Oui, tu as na liboso ya stade Arsenal. Tu as protester pour la situation pour zoleka na mboka na biso. Ndenge nini Paul Kagame azoboma ba Congolais, azoviole ba Congolais, bazoyiba ba richesse ya mboka. Donc mboka na biso vraiment ezali mawato. Et puis beaucoup plus mingi toye kotelemela Arsenal po bango nde moto bazali Paul Kagame azali sponsor l'équipe Arsenal. Wana tobina bango il faut balongwa visite Rwanda. Wana toye kotelemela po tolingi te na bavariere ya Arsenal ezala visite Rwanda. Yana raison tozali awa yango wana.
Bon maître pour na next na ndenge tozoya kotelema di lango pena eza ndenge nini na ba sponsor na bango na Paul Kagame to komi na situation nini na moment.
Bon, eza facilité talaka eza business. Bango déjà bazopesa au moins 500 millions pour azozwa visite Rwanda. Et puis azopesa Arsenal 100 millions na rang. Eza business mo eza facilité mais ba pression totyaka tokomomona pe de changement. Moni nyonso ezaka ya koloba na video te mais biso tokolemba te. Biso objectif na biso ezali Arsenal akolongola Paul Kagame eteke sponsor équipe Arsenal. Et puis bavares na bango bakolongola visite Rwanda. Rwanda vraiment toza nango trop si tokolonga. C'est ça.
Allô maître, pour na situation oyo tomonaki Emmanuel Macron akei na bandal na mboka na biso eza na guerre bato baza kokufa mais ya akei un président akei kolakisa Caster bière elingi oloba nini na peuple oyo aza na souffrance na Kivu mais na Kinshasa ye aye koloba kolakisa bato publicité ya Castel bière.
Kasa alakisa bino ke Congo za mboka ete alakisa bino ke nde babalangula donc parce que omona na makambo omona ona ekali ete alakisi bino so bino mona bakongole bakoma conscient okomprendre ke soki okongole obundeli mboka na yo te mutu so abundela mboka na yo te Macron aza na ye français il s'en fout na mambakulu yana bino lokola ozolanda baloyenge wana na babiso bawana tozalaka na baproblème mais biso bakongolais conscient yana omona na bamalili na bahiver na baneige tozoyaka mpona makambo ya kolibere ko c'est que je peux dire.
Merci maître Ingeta.
Ingeta.
Merci bandeko Ingeta toye awa na Arsenal stadium tobaki le 11 kozala awa parce ezali devoir à domicile biso tolembaka te tokatanaka te parce que la terre est sacrée. Tolobaki que le pays toujours est occupé par communauté internationale, place groupe de Rwandais touti, Ougandais touti, Tanzaniens touti, Kenyans touti, pe Rwandais touti. Paul Kagame aza sponsor na Arsenal, mais azali kila. Yango tolobi que don't visit Rwanda. Non visit Rwanda. Tokotika yango te, tokotelemela yango tika kolongola ye na deal oyo.
Don't support Arsenal. Don't visit Rwanda. Don't support Arsenal. Don't visit Rwanda. Don't support Arsenal.
Crime against humanity, and it is against international law to support war criminals like Paul Kagame. The government of Rwanda is committing mass atrocities in Congo. People are losing their land, people are losing their livelihoods, people are being displaced in their hundreds of thousands. How could you even conceive your wife, your grandmother, your mother, your baby being gang raped, petrol being poured on them, and them being burnt alive? What the Rwandan government is doing in the Democratic Congo is inconceivable. These are mass gross conscience about this sponsorship deal. This sponsorship deal is illegal. You are supporting war criminals who are perpetrating some of the gravest, grossest human rights in this world. These rapes by M23 Rwandan rebel groups have been logged in numerous United Nations Security Council reports. The proof is there. The board of directors at Arsenal are aware of these human rights abuses, but continue renewing their sponsorship deal with the government of Rwanda. How much is a woman's life worth? 10 million? 20 million? 30 million? How much is your mother's life worth? Or your baby infant's life's worth? Human life does not have to come at a cost. Arsenal has to stop.
President. We are here today. It's a special day. We're fighting for our country. Rwanda have to learn a lesson. Arsenal have to stop promoting Rwanda. Medium Congolese been killed because the Rwandans is in the center of all the atrocity. We're working hard. We got to value our people. And the Rwanda have to learn how to respect Congolese people. They must stop what they're doing. To do that, we're talking to Arsenal. Arsenal is aware that what they're doing, they are abusing the value of the sport. They are promoting a criminal country, a nation that is now terrorist country in Africa. That's why we're here to stand up for our people. Arsenal must stop promoting it. Thank you.
Bye. Say something, ma'am.
Kagame is a criminal.
Yeah, Kagame must go.
Kagame the
problem
killer.
with Kagame. Kagame is a killer.
Thank you.
Kagame must go.
Thank you. Kagame the killer. You the killer. Fuck off, Kagame.
They are shooting and killing, nobody told. They are killing, nobody told. Osala na biso nyonso après kozala shot ya media. Osimbi reflect mutu nyonso amona. Let's try first. 1, 2. Okay? Preach longola nani. Esa lo te drapeau na biso ba drapeau esike ezomona na te.
Rwanda, you don't support Arsenal. Arsenal will never win the cup.
One more time.
Don't support Arsenal.
Okay?
Don't support Arsenal. Arsenal
You start
is a
shooting first
fucking
and nobody
team.
told. They are killing
Don't support
Congolese,
Arsenal.
nobody told.
Arsenal is getting money from Paul Kagame. Paul Kagame is a criminal. Paul Kagame is an assassin. Paul Kagame is a criminal. Paul Kagame is an assassin.
Jesse, toi aussi comme ça. Vous êtes prêts?
No, wait.
Vous êtes prêts?
Okay, we are ready.
We ready?
1.
Don't support Arsenal. Don't support Arsenal.
Encore une fois.
Don't visit Rwanda. Don't support Arsenal. Don't visit Rwanda. Don't support Arsenal. Don't visit Rwanda. Don't support Arsenal. Don't visit Rwanda.
On